PM Modi says India stands in solidarity. Massive earthquake in Nepal kills 128. On Friday, at least 128 people dead have been reported due to the 6.4 magnitude earthquake that struck Jharkhand district in Nepal. Due to the powerful 6.4 magnitude earthquake, the death toll in Nepal on Friday has reached 128, Reuters news agency reported. According to state-run Nepal television, injuries, more than 140 people sustained in Jharkhand and Rukum districts of western Nepal. According to officials at the National Earthquake Measurement Center, epicenter of the quake was at the Lamadonda area in Jharkhand.